Hello, my name is Frank, and I have an app that I believe can help the middle class better understand their finances. The reason I created this app is because a while back, I checked my net worth and I got a number. 6 months later, I checked it again and the number changed, but I didn't know why. Another reason I created the MyOwnNetworth app is because we're losing our middle class, and I want to help rebuild it no matter how small it may be. No matter what your age is, this can be a starting point. I'm also concerned with personal debt, credit card debt, and car loan debt, which is at an all-time high. This app doesn't have fancy feeds from big broker houses in terms none of us can understand. It's straightforward. Our income, our investments, and our bills for simple folks like us. Privacy matters. Your financial information is nobody's business. In fact, you can create a new email just for this app if you want. For example, you can be bubblegum@something.com and use a password like ice cream. We don't want to know who you are. Let's look at this app. We'll start by putting in our salary, then we're going to add savings, then our liabilities, then our mortgage, and when we're done, we're going to get a number. This app is also available in Spanish and French. You'll find the YouTube channel, frequently asked questions section, and the log off option too. This number is where you currently are at, but it's just a start. If it's not a number that you like, do something about it. Create a different scenario. Like, what if I put an extra $50 into savings? How would that change my net worth over time? A big one, paying off your credit cards with that 20+% interest. One feature we have is Pay Your Bill program. Once the app expenses are covered, I plan to share the profits with users by helping them pay their bills. Each week, we'll randomly select subscribers and send a check directly to a bill, like water, electricity, garbage, or a credit card. You can choose to participate or stay anonymous. The cost is $14.99 a month or $149.99 a year. That's about what I used to spend on a Friday night, out with some friends, food, couple of drinks. Actually, it's probably a lot more. So take one Friday off and start your financial journey. My last pair of shoes cost more than that. So maybe skip a pair of shoes. Well, you get the idea. This also helps us get the Pay Your Bill program started sooner and help more people. Who am I? I'm just a middle-class guy. My family came from the farmlands of Iowa and Pennsylvania to work in the city because farming didn't cut it. This is my house. I rent. I've never owned one, and I don't see retirement happening anytime soon. We're on this journey together. Please remember, this is an educational app. If you have any financial questions, reach out to a financial advisor, CPA, or someone that you trust. My goal is to help steer you in the right direction. I wish you all the best.